Welcome back to DelphStack. Today, I will show you how to fix network connection issues and matchmaking problems in Arc Raiders on PC. The first step is to try changing your game server. Sometimes the server you are connected to may be crowded or far from your location. Choosing a server that is closer to you or has fewer players can reduce ping and make your connection more stable. Next, you can configure your network adapter to use Google DNS. This can improve how your computer connects to the game servers. Open your Windows, search, and type View Network Connections. Open it from the search results. In the network settings, find your adapter, right-click it, and go to its properties. Now, double-click on Internet Protocol version 4. Set the DNS addresses to 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. This will make your system use Google servers for faster and more reliable connections. The last step is to flush your DNS cache. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type ipconfig /flush DNS and press Enter. This clears the cache data and forces your system to request fresh connection information, which can reduce lag and matchmaking issues. Following these steps should help you have a smoother experience in Arc Raiders. Thanks for watching.